Today we will consider rules to form image using concave lens. What is concave lens? A lens that is going to have two spherical surfaces. This is one spherical surface, this is another spherical surface. Both are bulging in. That lens will be known as concave lens. So this is representing concave lens, that is thinner at the center and thicker at the edges. This is principal axis. This O is representing optical center. This is one principal focus. This is center of curvature for this curved surface. This is another principal focus, and this is center of curvature for this curved surface. To draw image using concave lens, we should follow three rules. So first rule is a ray of light from the object parallel to principal axis after refraction from a concave lens appear to diverge from principal focus located on the same side of lens. Line is too long, we will break it and then we will understand. A ray of light from the object parallel to principal axis. We are talking about this ray of light. This is coming from object and it is parallel to principal axis. When it will pass from air to glass, it will suffer refraction, and when it will suffer refraction, it will deviate from its path. So a ray of light that is parallel to principal axis, after refraction from concave lens, it will suffer refraction and it will appear that it is coming from this focus. After refraction from concave lens appears to diverge from the principal focus located on the same side of lens. See, this is also focus. This is also focus. So from which side ray of light is coming? This ray of light, after refraction, when you will see, this will reach to your eye, and to your eyes it will appear that it is coming from this focus. So this will appear that it is diverging, and it will appear to you that this is diverging from this principal focus, and this focus has to be on the same side where you are going to consider incident ray. So this ray of light, after suffering refraction through concave lens, it will appear to diverge from principal focus, that is on same side of the lens. This side we are talking about. Next, a ray of light appearing to meet at principal focus of concave lens after refraction will become parallel to principal axis. This is incident ray of light. If this lens will not be there, then it will pass straight and it will pass through this point. But lens is there, so this ray of light will deviate from its path. It will suffer refraction. So which is supposed to go straight, passing through focus in absence of this lens. Then it will suffer refraction, and after refraction it will become parallel to principal axis. So incident ray is pointing towards focus, but it will not pass through focus. It will suffer refraction, it will change its path, and this ray after refraction will become parallel to principal axis. So incident ray that is pointing towards focus after refraction through concave lens will become parallel to principal axis. Third rule. A ray of light that is passing through optical center of a lens will come out without suffering any deviation. This is ray of light passing through optical center. It will come straight. It will not deviate from its path. And all these rules, first, second, third, we have considered for thin lens. Complete in this. Be careful, keep in your mind that we are going to consider thin concave lens here. So ray of light parallel to principal axis after refraction appear to diverge from this focus. A ray of light that is pointing towards focus after refraction will become parallel to principal axis. A ray of light passing through optical center will not suffer any deviation. It will go straight.